Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Choco lava cake. First step, grease the cupcake molds with butter and put it aside. Now I'm making lava mixture for my cake. For this I'm cutting 70 grams of chocolate. This makes chocolate melt easily. Drop this chocolate into a bowl and add 40 ml of milk to this. Place this bowl on the top of the hot water. This process makes chocolate melts easily. When chocolate melts, drop this into icing bag and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now I'm taking 100 grams of dark chocolate for making cake. Here I'm using homemade chocolate which I made from cocoa beans. Making chocolate from beans is very easy. I will share this recipe in my future videos. Drop this chocolate into a bowl and add 60 grams of unsalted butter. Place the bowl on top of hot water and melt the chocolate. When chocolate melts, take out the bowl and add 40 grams of powdered sugar. Stir it till it well combines with the chocolate. Sugar melts well. Now it's time to add some eggs. I'm adding 3 eggs, one at a time. Don't add all 3 eggs once. When egg mixed well with the chocolate mixture, it's time to add some flour. For this recipe, I'm adding 60 grams of all-purpose flour and 30 grams of cocoa powder by sifting. This extra cocoa powder will give that chocolate punch to the cake. Mix well the dry ingredients slowly. When all the dry ingredients combine well, put this mixture into the icing bag and fill the molds with this mixture. Don't fill till the top. We need to add lava mixture here. Now take out the lava mixture from the fridge and fill in the mold approximately a tablespoon quantity. Cover the lava mixture with the cake mixture. Bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. When they are done, they will look like this. Look at the chocolate inside. How liquid is that? It's really delicious. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.